Toss-up 1. General science. Short answer. In plants and animals, what class of nucleic acid polymer is the primary form of genetic material that is heritable from one generation to the next? Answer. Deoxyribose nucleic acids. Bonus 1. General science. Multiple choice. What part of the pistil forms a closed receptacle for the ovules? W. Carpel. 10. Petal. Y. Sepal. Z. Peduncle. Answer. W. Carpel. Toss-up 2. Math. Multiple choice. Identify the 21st term of the arithmetic sequence with first three terms 5, 10, 15. W. 100. 10, 105. Y. 110. Z. 125. Answer. 10, 105. Bonus 2. Math. Short answer. There are 5 different paths through a maze designated as Path 1, Path 2, Path 3, Path 4, and Path 5. Each path is equally likely to be chosen. What is the % probability of not choosing Path 1? Answer, 80%. Toss-up 3. Physical science. Multiple choice. Which of the following does not represent a chemical reaction? W. Water falling from a tap. 10. Grape juice turning into wine. Y. Milk turning to cheese. Z. Rust forming on a nail. Answer. W. Water falling from a tap. Bonus 3. Physical science. Short answer. Thomas Edison championed the use of direct current for homes and industry. Who favored the use of alternating current because of its ability to be transmitted great distances? Answer. Nikola Tesla. Toss-up 4. Life science. Short answer. What is the common name of the members of the class Aves? Answer. Birds. Bonus 4. Life science. Multiple choice. Which of the following organisms were the earliest life forms to evolve in the ocean? W. Protozoa. 10. Algae. Y. Bacteria. Z. Fungi. Answer. Y. Bacteria. Toss-up 5. Earth and space multiple choice. Ocean waves are created by which of the following? W. Wind. 10. Shape of the ocean floor. Y. Water depth. Z. Currents. Answer. W. Wind. Bonus 5. Earth and space short answer. What type of earthquakes occurring on the island of Hawaii are a result of magma movement underneath Kilauea? Answer. Harmonic tremors. Toss-up 6. General science. Short answer. Sand dollars, sea stars, sea cucumbers, and sea urchins all belong to what phylum? Answer. Echinodermata. Bonus 6. General science. Multiple choice. Which of the following are not found in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes? W. Flagella. 10. Ribosomes. Y. Mitochondria. Z. Plasma membrane. Answer. Y. Mitochondria. Toss-up 7. Math. Multiple choice. Assuming that the Earth is a sphere of radius r, what is the surface area of the northern hemisphere? W. 2 over 3 times pi r cubed. 10. 2 pi r squared. Y. 3 pi r squared. Z. 4 pi r squared. Answer. 10. 2 pi r squared. Bonus 7. Math. Short answer. How many positive integers are between the square root of 3 and the square root of 82? Answer 8. Toss-up 8. Energy short answer. Coal and natural gas are the leading sources of fuel for electricity production in the U.S. What is the third leading source? Answer. Nuclear. Bonus 8. Energy multiple choice. In most geothermal applications, what substance is used to rotate the generation turbines? W. Liquid water. 10. Natural gas. Y. Brine. Z. Steam. Answer. Z. Steam. Toss-up 9. Physical science. Multiple choice. Which of the following materials best prevents the flow of electricity? W. Copper. 10. Silicon. Y. Gold. Z. Distilled water. Answer. Z. Distilled water. Bonus 9. Physical science. Multiple choice. In the periodic table, elements are arranged by which of the following? W. Atomic number. 10. Binding energy. Y. Mass number. Z. Number of isotopes. Answer. W. Atomic number. Toss-up 10. Life science. Multiple choice. Which of the following has the function of modifying, sorting, and preparing substances for use within the eukaryotic cell or for transport outside of the cell? W. Ribosome. 10. Endoplasmic reticulum. Y. Golgi apparatus. Z. Mitochondria. Answer. Y. Golgi apparatus. Bonus 10. Life science. Multiple choice. Which of the following marine organisms would be considered ectothermic? W. Gull. 10. Penguin. Y. Sea turtle. Z. Manatee. Answer. Y. Sea turtle. Toss-up 11. Earth and space multiple choice. In the deep ocean, the continuous shower of mostly organic detritus falling from the upper layers of the water column is called which of the following? W. Marine snow. 10. Fecal snow. Y. Organic snow. Z. Carbon snow. Answer. W. Marine snow. Bonus 11. Earth and space multiple choice. Which of the following is not considered a rift valley? W. Mid-ocean ridges. 10. Rhine River Valley. Y. Red Sea. Z. Mississippi River Valley. Answer. Z. Mississippi River Valley. Toss-up 12. General science. Short answer. You are setting up an experiment looking at the effects of increased phosphorus concentrations on the growth of glycine max. In this experiment, the concentration of phosphorus is what kind of variable? Answer. Independent. Bonus 12. General science. Multiple choice. Which of the following best describes a hypothesis? W. The process of investigating a question. 10. A possible explanation based on prior evidence. Y. A widely accepted explanation. Z. An observation. Answer. 10. A possible explanation based on prior evidence. Toss-up 13. Math. Multiple choice. What is the standard form of the following equation? 2x equals 3y minus 5? W. 2x minus 3y equals 5. 10. 2x minus 5 equals 3y. Y. 2x plus 3y equals 5. Z. 2x minus 3y equals negative 5. Answer. Z. 2x minus 3y equals negative 5. Bonus 13. Math. Short answer. How many parallel pairs of faces does a right regular hexagonal prism have? Answer 4. Toss-up 14. Physical science. Multiple choice. An atom's ability to react with other atoms is determined by what type of subatomic particle? W. Protons. 10. Neutrinos. Y. Neutrons. Z. Electrons. Answer. Z. Electrons. Bonus 14. Physical science. Multiple choice. The atomic weight of an element most nearly reflects the atom's total number of which of the following? W. Protons and neutrons. 10. Protons and electrons. Y. Neutrons only. Z. Protons only. Answer. W. Protons and neutrons. Toss-up 15. Life science. Multiple choice. In which part of the plant would you expect to find the largest concentration of photosynthetic pigments? W. Roots. 10. Shoots. Y. Leaves. Z. Fruit. Answer. Y. Leaves. Bonus 15. Life science. Short answer. What is the vector for the organism that causes malaria? Answer. Mosquito. Toss-up 16. Earth and space multiple choice. The hardness of a mineral determines how resistant it is to which of the following? W. Mass loading. 10. Fracture. Y. Scratching. Z. Temperature flux. Answer. Y. Scratching. Bonus 16. Earth and space multiple choice. The early atmosphere of the Earth probably was rich in all except which of the following gases? W. Oxygen. 10. Carbon monoxide. Y. Carbon dioxide. Z. Nitrogen. Answer. W. Oxygen. Toss-up, 17. Energy multiple choice. DC to DC converters operate on the principle of volt-second balance. Based on this assumption, which of the following average values is 0? W. Voltage across the inductors. 10. Voltage across the capacitors. Y. Voltage across the loads. Z. Voltage across the transistors. Answer. W. Voltage across the inductors. Bonus, 17. Energy short answer. What is thought to be driving the rapid and accelerating expansion of the universe, while accounting for nearly 3/4 of the mass and energy that exists in the universe? Answer. Dark energy. Toss-up, 18. General science. Short answer. Which group of plants enclose their seeds within a fruit? Answer. Angiosperms. Bonus, 18. General science. Multiple choice. Atopic dermatitis is a medical condition predominantly affecting which organ system? W. Hepatobiliary. 10. Integumentary. Y. Skeletal. Z. Circulatory. Answer. 10. Integumentary. Toss-up, 19. Math. Short answer. Mike buys hot dogs that come in packages of 10. If hot dog buns come in packages of 8, what is the fewest number of hot dog packages he can buy in order have the same number of hot dogs as buns? Answer, 4. Bonus, 19. Math. Multiple choice. Which of the following conditions is not used for similarity of two triangles? W, side, side, side. 10, angle, angle, angle. Y, side, side, angle. Z, side, angle, side. Answer. Y, side, side, angle. Toss-up, 20. Physical science. Multiple choice. According to the Richter scale, which of the following is closest to the ratio of the energy released in a magnitude 10 earthquake to that released in a magnitude 8 earthquake? W, 10. 10, 20. Y, 100. Z, 1000. Answer. Z, 1000. Bonus, 20. Physical science. Multiple choice. Atoms of which of these elements tend to form 3 covalent bonds? W. Carbon. 10. Nitrogen. Y. Oxygen. Z. Chlorine. Answer. 10. Nitrogen. Toss-up, 21. Energy short answer. Ozone is an important gas in the stratosphere. What is the chemical formula of ozone? Answer. O3. Bonus, 21. Energy multiple choice. Which of the following rates, referring to costs for peak hour cost versus off-peak hour cost, respectively, would most incentivize a homeowner for running their large appliances during off-peak hours rather than peak hours? W. $2 per kilowatt and $0.10 per kilowatt hour. 10. $1 per kilowatt and $0.10 per kilowatt hour. Y. $1 per kilowatt and $0.12 per kilowatt hour. Z. $3 per kilowatt and $0.10 per kilowatt hour. Answer. Z. $3 per kilowatt and $0.10 per kilowatt hour. Toss-up, 22. Life science. Short answer. In what organelle of a plant cell does photosynthesis occur? Answer. Chloroplast. Bonus, 22. Life science. Multiple choice. In addition to being birds, what do the great auk, moa, passenger pigeon, and Carolina parakeet have in common? W. They are all listed as invasive species in North America. 10. They are all extinct. Y. They are all listed as threatened species in their native habitats. Z. They are all being raised in captive breeding programs for later release into the wild. Answer. 10. They are all extinct. Toss-up, 23. Earth and space short answer. What must a glacier meet in order to form an ice shelf? Answer. An ocean. Bonus, 23. Earth and space multiple choice. What major geologic forces operate at the shoreline? W. Surface water and wind. 10. Waves and tides. Y. Wind and tides. Z. Chemical and physical weathering. Answer. 10. Waves and tides.